Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Clint with Mega Vending, tapping in with a real quick video. Hey guys, I know it's been a minute since I've been on here, since I put out a video, and rightfully so, I've been extremely busy with my vending company and some musical things that have been going on here lately. So I wanted to bring you guys in today because I have a location that has called and requested our services. So we're gonna go in and see what they have to offer. If it's good, then we might go ahead and do it. They already have a service provider there, and I'm assuming they haven't been happy with them or whatever the case is. But we're gonna go in and check it out, and we'll bring you guys in to see that. That's if they allow cameras, so we'll see. Other than that, guys, I appreciate you coming in. If you haven't already, hit this thing with a like, hit with a thumbs up, whatever you want to do. If it's good or bad, go ahead and react to the video. At the end of the day, I want to make sure we put out content that you guys want to see. So other than that, guys, I'll see you guys on the other side. All right. Just want to see I'm going to take a measurement of the door, but this is it right here. Okay. And they would go right here.
No, they would actually come through the office, but I was just showing you this entrance.
Right, so I'll go through the office. And
we'll come in through here. We can go out that way.
Okay.
I'll show you.
All right.
You're going to take pictures?
Yeah.
I do want to know if that door has an alarm, so feel free to hold it for a little bit longer.
Okay. I'm gonna just take a measurement of the door, just to make sure that mine can fit through here. Yeah,
we definitely had two before.
Okay.
I can't remember
All right, so this is back to the front. Back to the entrance. Okay. All right. I'll send you guys an email.
Okay.
Probably later on today. Just kind of outlining some things, and then the contract or whatever the placement here. Other than that, should be it.
Okay,
And I left her my card, so you guys can use it. Thank you, guys. I have a small 3-wide vending machine that I can fit here, and which is great though because I already have a vending machine that I service in this area, so it'll be good to come here and in there. All right, guys, so that was a new possible vendor. They actually called me, they emailed me actually. So like I said, get online. List your company online. It's the easiest way to get new locations. We checked it out. Everything should be good as far as being able to place one there, but we'll see. Make sure you list your company online. I have yet in the last 4 to 5 months cold called or went door to door to any company. Everything that I've gotten here in these last few months have solely come from them finding me online. So list your company online. I mean, it'll save you time, save you money. I'm not saying that you should completely give up on those ways of gaining new opportunities, but at the same time, a lot of things going up. It's a lot of money going around here, driving around to different locations and to get nothing out of it, And yes, leaving, that impression on a company, goes a long way, but it's not definite. So do yourself a favor, set your company up online, list your company with Google, Yahoo, all those search engines. Put your stuff up there. You'd be surprised. Oh, also a website. You'd be surprised how much activity you get. I'm sorry. You'd be surprised how much activity you get just from somebody finding you online. It's crazy. I'm giving y'all free game. Get listed online. It's the easiest thing to do. I mean, you can put together a free website. I mean, so many free website builders out there. Build your website, list your company online with Google, Yahoo, I don't know, all the other ones, and phone will ring at some point. I'm just telling you guys how I've done it. I can't speak for, all the other operators that, that say they go out and get theirs, which is, I've done that. I have done that. But I've gotten way more business from people calling me than me showing up at their door. And yes, will I get out there and door-to-door sales? For sure. For sure. If it came down to it, yes, I would definitely get back on the streets. And I get it. When you're first starting your company, yes, it's probably what you want to do. Because nobody knows your company, and putting it online is not going to get the traction right out the gate. But once you get yourself going and you get, a few machines, and you're not more so worried about having a lot of locations, but you're listed, it's a possibility that people will call you. Get listed, guys. We possibly have another new location, and we talked a lot in here about the previous vendor. Not that they weren't happy with them, but they weren't filling them up often enough for them. And then the machine that they have inside of there, you can't fit enough in there. It's a combo, and it might work, for a smaller location, but they have 50 to 100 employees in there. And if you're not coming back at least weekly to fill them up, you can only put, in that machine up there, you can only put 6 drinks in each row. So you got 50 to 100 employees sitting in that building, and they all go through that lunchroom at some point. It's possible that you'll be out in a couple days, and if you're not coming there weekly, you're losing out on money. Then your location is getting upset because there's never enough product inside the machine. So what we're gonna do here is, my thought process is to give them 2. A small snack vending machine, as well as a small canned drink machine. And we'll see how it goes. I have those machines readily available. We just have to get them serviced, cleaned up, put together. And other than that, guys, hey, that's it. Easy. I did nothing to get this. I did nothing to get this location. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I didn't call them. I didn't show up at their door. They called me.